have a moment of silence for the last Christmas holly DIY takeover I'm doing on this channel. This holly DIY takeover I'm doing on this channel for the year of 2019. It's almost Christmas. I do have another takeover coming up this month, which is going to be New Year's Eve related, so you don't want to miss that. Hit subscribe and the bell on this channel if you love like a huge array of DIYs. I'm Drea. In case you don't know that, I'm Drea with Clueless Mama D. I'm doing a takeover, as mentioned. I have my own channel, and what I do on Clueless Mama D is help you go from clueless to I got this on thrifty and affordable DIY. So today, I'm showing you how I made the super easy Dollar Tree Glam tabletop Christmas trees. And you can make these in minutes. It's super easy, and a lot of the stuff I already had at home. And I'm gonna show you how I made 3 of those on this video, and then if you want to, you can come visit my channel to see how I made the other 2. There's a link in the description, and you can hit subscribe and the bell over there so we can be friends and DIY together, especially if you like affordable DIYs. Comment below and let me know what your favorite thing to eat on Christmas is, and let's get crafting. All right, so grab those styrofoam Christmas tree table toppers from Dollar Tree, and it looks like somebody else has been grabbing mine. Obviously my toddler got a hold of these, but nothing a little hot glue can't fix. I also had some embellishments laying around from other odd projects, but also this is from Dollar Tree, so grab some of those. And I got 2 of the white boas. I think they're in the kids section. And your girl, Auntie Tay, has this gorgeous periwinkle glitter from shopauntitay.com. If you guys need craft supplies like good quality glitter, make sure you head there. The link's in the description, and so is my coupon code CLUELESSMAMAD, all lowercase, to get savings on everything there. And I just love the way that glitter is. And the world's smallest spray paint can ever I had kicking around. So I wanted to just make sure I covered up the white with spray paint, and I prayed that there would be enough in this can, and there was, to go ahead and spray that pretty good just in case I miss any spots with the embellishments. I noticed on the medium size cone or tree that it's really like dented, so I decided to go put some of these styrofoam balls around it, which I happen to have kicking around too. So I hot glued those onto them, and be careful because at one point I really did burn myself and it wasn't pretty at all. I don't know if it was on camera or whatnot, but yeah, it hurt. So be careful when you're doing this, take your time. And I just started with the bigger ones on the bottom because there's different sizes in the bag, and I just worked my way all the way around until it looked like this, y'all. I put a little bit more spray paint on as well. So with some Mod Podge, I just went ahead and went all over, just like so, like you're seeing all over. I only needed the glitter to be sort of on the ends of the balls, so I wasn't really worried about the inside. And once you do that, just make sure you have something underneath, like a piece of paper or a paper plate that catches the glitter, and just sprinkle it all over the areas that you put the Mod Podge in. And once it dries on that side, simply rotate it and get ready to do the other side just like we just did. And same thing with the very top of it. That's it. Give it a shake and a tap, and then just funnel all of that glitter back into the container, because that is precious, precious stuff for future crafts. Now on to the fabulous boa tree. I hot glued the tip of the cone back on because my little man, if you know my channel, he frequently breaks the DIYs that I make depending on what they are. He is just always up in my crafts. Now, this craft, I'm not even gonna lie, this was a hot mess, literally, with the glue gun and the feathers. I felt like I was working with like a chicken trying to run away from me at some points. Like, feathers were all the way. So I decided to go around horizontally. In hindsight, I think I would probably cut the boa into strips and go from top to bottom, side to side, like rows from up to down. I think I would have had better control over it, maybe. I don't know. Just try your best to avoid actually getting hot glue on the tips of the feathers. Does it not look like some sort of animal here? Oh Lord. And for the top of it, honestly, I hadn't pre-thought about what I was going to put on the top of the trees. I have this nice little lighting from the Dollar Tree here, and I had some bulbs. I wish I had silver bulbs, but after I had did this boa tree, I was like, you know what? It definitely needs something on top. So I just took off the end of the boa, or the end of the bulb, and hot glued it on. And then I just wrapped around the light to give it a little bit more of the Christmas lights, or you can even use Glam decor for New Year's decor as well, which is what I like about these trees. The third Glam tree that we're making is super easy. Just grab any of the shiny objects that are in the craft section of the Dollar Tree or what have you. I got these rhinestones as well, rhinestone ribbon, which always looks amazing when you're doing a Glam DIY. And I just hot glued, again, paying attention not to burn myself, and just kind of pressed down and tightly went down on an angle around the cone. I keep calling it a cone, but you know what I mean, around the tree. And just give it a snippet at the end, and then take whatever other embellishments that you have to give it sort of a different pattern and start wrapping that around as well in hot glue, just to make a little design. So I had these guys left over from a previous project, so I had pretty much the perfect amount to go ahead and put a line of those. They have the jewels and they have a little bit of pearl in them as well. So that's super cool. There's me avoiding the hot glue again. And since there was still a big enough space, I decided to go in again and do another row of those pearl and the other crystals. And there you go. It's so pretty, so classy, perfect for Christmas, also perfect for New Year's decor. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next takeover on this channel, which will be a New Year's Eve centerpiece. And please check out the description. That's got my link to my channel to show you how I made this fun napkin ring tree. And also you can subscribe and hit the bell on my channel. And you can check out Shop Auntie Tay and the coupons in the description as well. Love you, lovelies.
Like a ship